Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we are opening Winnifred. I've been waiting all year for this. It's an exciting new mule. It's just jazzy. Oh, look at that. Winnifred, 3rd Premiere 2025. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see. So Winnifred comes in a box that announces who she is. I think it's a she. Sounds like it. All right. That's the stablemate. There's her. That's the COA. Awesome. Put that back in her box. Bags. Come on. Faster. And yes, I chose the chestnut over the gray. So you get the chestnut or the gray. And for whatever reason, the chestnut just looked nicer to me than the gray. So, and you know, I'm a dapple gray fanatic, but there we go. Oh, she just looks awesome. Oh, I think I'm in love. Oh, I know I'm in love. That's so beautiful. That face is so lovely. Oh, I love those ears. You see that? See how pretty she is. Oh, yeah. So this is a new kind of dapple. I don't know if you can stencil that instead of the, you know, the bingo stamp marks. This is that's lovely. And the mapping, look at the mapping on the Pinto. Look at that. She was worth it. Absolutely worth it. The weight and everything. Oh, how beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, wow. Yeah, so I think I can make her a pack saddle. We'll see what she looks like with a pack saddle and a halter. That's a good sized head, so I don't have any halters made for a head that big. So I'll have to get those made and then we'll come back. If you buy all the Premier Series horses, you get a bonus stablemate. And this is the bonus stablemate. And let's see what it is. Oh, the blade is really dull. see what we got. plenty of bubble wrap there. This is Isla Premier Collection. Isla. It's a grazing mare in gray, dapple gray. Come on out, Isla. Say hi to everybody. Huh. That'll be nice for a shelf piece. Lovely dapples over the hips. Ooh, over the belly. And over, not on this belly. Well, grazing mare looks really nice. Look at that. Awesome. Okay, that's Isla, the 2025 Premier Club stablemate that you get at the end. A surprise stablemate, custom like this, if you buy all the horses in the Premier for that year. So there's 3 of those. We all know the Premier models are more expensive. So this is kind of like a thank you for buying all 3 of those. A special stablemate. All right, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.